In this video, I'll be taking you through the first time setup of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So let's go ahead and start by switching it on. So you're going to locate the button at the top on the side of the watch, and you're just going to long press on it to ensure that the watch turns on. If you've been pressing it for quite a while and it still hasn't turned on, I recommend you just charging your watch and then trying again. Most of the time it's because that specific watch doesn't have enough charge to be able to do anything that you want it to do. So let's just go ahead and wait for it to turn on. So now, the first thing that you'll be prompted to do is simply choose which language you want to set up your watch in. So you can scroll through the list of available languages, you can add one, or you can just go ahead and select one of the options available. Then you'll be prompted to confirm that you wish to continue in that specific language. Go ahead and confirm. And then from here, you now need to select your region. So scroll through the list of available regions and go ahead and select it like so. And then now just select restart so that the changes can be applied to the watch. It allows your watch to decide how it's going to continue helping you through the next set of steps as you continue with the setup. Now from here, you'll be brought to the welcome page or the welcome menu on your watch. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step. All you need to do now is simply connect your watch to your phone. Now, if you have a regular Android phone, you can always just install the Galaxy Wearable app and connect it from there. But if you have a Samsung phone, then it should automatically be detected. If it hasn't, you can just go ahead and again open up the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, like so, and then select Start and wait for it to be detected. Once your watch has been detected, you should be able to see codes on both sides. If they're the exact same, you're going to select the option Confirm. And then wait for any software to be downloaded onto your watch. If you have any backups available, you'll be prompted to use it or restore any of those backups. And then from there, you'll be prompted to agree to the end user license agreement, the wearable privacy policy, and you also have optional options that you can choose to either disagree or just leave them as they are. Once you do that, just select the option Continue and then give it access to specific data. So go ahead and select Allow and then wait for it to continue getting or setting itself up. Then from here, it might ask you for your Google account information. So go ahead and wait for it to restore. And then it signs you into your Google account. Then you'll be prompted to agree to the terms of service. So go ahead, scroll down and select I agree. And then you can now start setting up your preferred wrist wearing approach. So all you need to do now is simply just go ahead and try wearing your watch. And then whatever position you prefer, you decide you prefer your watch to be worn on, whether it's just above your wrist or just there. It's completely up to you. You can even choose to wear it on the other wrist and choose where you'll prefer the buttons to be. So here I am. I prefer it on the left. Button position right of the screen, that's fine. If you want to change it, you can just choose to select any of those options and try again and see if you prefer it that other side. Then tap on Next. Then from here, you may need to give necessary permissions such as access to your sleep settings and all sorts of things. So you can go ahead and do so. So just tap on Next, tap on Next, tap on Next, and tap on Next. So that is just necessary permissions such as your emergency health alerts and all sorts of things such as your footsteps tracking data. So then just wait for it to finish up. And once that is complete, you should have successfully finished setting up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So from here, you should now be able to see in the app different customizations you can apply to your watch, such as the notifications, quick panel tiles, app screen, even your watch faces. So you can go ahead and customize that to your liking, and you can even check the battery percentage. You can get a small tutorial on how you can get the most out of your watch, all sorts of things. You can also navigate to your watch settings and see how you can customize it and ensure that it works for you in the best possible way. As you do that, the watch will finish preparing itself. And once it's finished, you can choose to take a tour or you can choose to skip it. So let's just go ahead and start. So here's the quick settings. Then swiping up from the bottom, takes you to your apps. And then you have tiles that you can be able to access. So just for quick functions such as your health, music, anything else that you add there. And you also have notifications. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully finished going through the tour. And now you can start using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.